Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the market and stocks on the Admirals application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on the trade button down below in the left side corner, and then tap on the markets button at the top. You have two sections here, either the watch list or markets, but now click on the second option, and here you are going to find the cryptos, stocks, indices, commodities, currencies, and so on. So if you want to check out stocks, select one of these options, and you can get to know the data. Here you can check out your position, the news and the information too. So here you can sell it or buy it as well if you would like to do so. So that's how you can check out the markets and the watch list too. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.